5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Green to near Worcester to near Mansfield, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kenton, Millersburg, Massillon, Green, Alliance, North Kenton, Louisville, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Minerva, Hartville, Loudonville, Brewster, Navarre, Waynesburg, East Sparta, Kilbuck, Holmesville, Wilmot, and Glenmont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes and Stark. The urgent weather